Hello, let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips TrueForce LED HID replacement lamps. This range can replace HID lamps. Their ban is being progressively done and will be finishing on 2027. Let's see an example of a high-pressure mercury lamp, banned in 2020. A novel HID lamp of 80 watts, operating on an electromagnetic ballast, adding 9.3 watts to overall consumption, is replaced by a TrueForce LED HPL of 26 watts direct to mains, achieving 70% energy savings. It's time to switch to LED. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.